LPC, whoa, time to steal the show. We've been grinding all season, no easy days. Every drop of sweat paved the way. From early mornings to the final horn, this is where champions are born. They're coming in fast, they're coming in strong, but we've been ready, been waiting too long. George Bell's got skill, yeah, we know that name, but we're bringing heart to every game. Every shift we take, every pass we sail, we're here to rise and ring their bell. We'll ring their bell. Shake the walls tonight, skate with fire, hearts burning bright. Every goal we score, every save we make, proves we got what it takes. We'll ring their bell, let the world all see. LPC, wild born to be free. We fight with pride, we play it well. Yeah, tonight we'll ring their bell. We've seen the storm, we've felt the cold, but we don't break, we just get bold. We trust our line, we trust our crew. Every one of us knows what to do. The puck drops down, the crowd gets loud. This is our moment, we'll make them proud. George Bell came knocking, but we don't dwell. We're coming hard to ring that bell. From the blue line rush to the final yell, we skate with fire and ring their bell. We'll ring their bell. Shake the walls tonight, skate with fire, hearts burning bright. Every goal we score, every save we make, proves we've got what it takes. We'll ring their bell, let the world all see. LPC, wild born to be free. We fight with pride, we play it well. Yeah, tonight we'll ring their bell. We don't back down, no fear, no doubt. We play with heart, that's what it's about. When the buzzer sounds, they'll know it well. LPCC showed up to ring their bell.